back to our channel, Jacob's Fun.
Today, we will show you the natural way of making coconut oil at homes. First of all, we will break the coconut with axe and keep it in the sun couple of days based on the temperature for drying. At the end of the first day, we separate the coconut from the coconut shell and slice into small pieces so it is. We have to keep the coconut again for drying. Once the coconut is dried, the more it is dried, the more we get oil.
Now our coconut has dried well. Now we are going to the oil mill to make coconut oil. Let's go. Pack the coconut. We are taking these 2 cans to fill with coconut oil.
This mill is using a traditional approach of chuck, where maximum oil can be extracted. We get 600 grams of oil from 1 kg dried coconut normally.
With 15 kg of coconut, we got 10 kg of oil. There are some water presents in the oil, so that we are keeping the oil in the sun to evaporate the water.
There are many benefits in coconut oil. It boosts heart health, good for hair, skin and teeth, reduce hunger. It raises good cholesterol, encourage fat burning, contains healthy fatty acids, help reduce harmful abdominal fat and boost brain functions.
Our pure coconut oil is ready to use.
Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel.